Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm hoping to do a vlog. We are meant to be going to the Birmingham Botanical Gardens to go see the Lantern Festival, which looks absolutely phenomenal. I checked the weather forecast, it said it was going to be dry and clear, and so this is what we've got. Oh dear. I think we're going to still attempt to go anyway. I'm just going to go get dressed and get a big waterproof coat and we'll see how we go. Oh, it's so Christmassy. Wow, they've really gone to town around here, haven't they? Look at all these big dealers. Wow, look, Dolphy.
Hiya. Hi mate. You here for the light show, are you?
Yeah, we are.
Blue badge holders only on here.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
What you need to do is spin back round for me. Right to be turn left and pull in one of those side streets just down the road.
Okay.
Mate.
Alright, mate.
Cheers mate, thank you.
So, first things first, we've had to park in a side road, like miles away from the place. Got the poco on, so Dolph's on the back. There's Mr. Sal.
Unicorns! Wow! What's that? Plane?
What can you see, Dolph? So they've got a massive queuing thing, but there's literally nobody here. You said you wanted candy floss, Sal? Wow! Look, Dolph!
Oh, what fun it is.
Wow, look, Dolphy! Wow! Think, Dolph?
You just take the pictures for me and tag me, yeah. Yeah, you're gonna do it.
What is that? Oh, what is it, Dolph? Sounds scary, doesn't it? Oh, look, Dolph, there's parrots! Caution, these birds may bite. Oh wow, Dolph, look at all the things you can buy. Look, Dolph.
There we go.
Wow!
Look at that. Cheers mate, you're a star. There you are. It's your mum's here.
Yeah. Next time I walk past, I'll be bald. All my hair will be stuck in it.
We're sticking up later.
Can you press the button, Dolph?
Don't give mummy a skinhead.
Oh, yeah, it's already in it.
Go.
Can you see the lion? What what? What are they made out of?
Stretch nylon over.
Is it? Christmas light's gonna look like this. Have you took your hat off?
Yeah.
That's the only thing with these backpacks is you can't actually see what's going on behind you. Wow, Dolph, look! Look at all the pretties! What do you think, Papa? The resemblance to Sal is uncanny. scoring mega mommy points right now for being uber prepared for sandwiches to stop a toddler meltdown. Look, Dolph. He's getting tired, isn't he?
It'll be a once chip round pocket.
Yeah, oh absolutely. What do you think of it though?
Very good.
You enjoyed it?
Very good.
Better than the one we went to last year?
Yeah.
We won't say where we went to last year, but it was rubbish, wasn't it?
Hello. What? Hello.
That looks a bit spooky and haunted, doesn't it? Woo! Oh, it's the gift shop that's packed. I wondered what all the people are doing. There's loads of people on the other side of this. It's the shop, the only warm place. Wow. What is that then? Trust us to gate crash somebody's party. It did say gift shop this way though. There's nothing saying no entry. Ah, let him have a look. Can you see the fish?
Yeah.
Are they big?
Yeah.
Candy floss. What do you think of candy floss? Candy floss.
Ow!
It's not an owl, it's candy floss.
It eats.
Yeah, you eat it. What do you think?
No. No.
Where we going, Sal? Whose idea was that? What are you going to have?
Tasty.
I thought you were waiting for the festive feast to come out. Festive feast. It was going to be gutted if there's no festive feast. Been waiting for this all year, so. Can't see no festive feast though, Sal.